Hello YouTube, this is Matt from Vectis3DModels. This is another instruction video. This model is for a detailing part for the Hawthorn Leslie by Dapol, which has been widely well received by the model railway community. For me, there's one small area of this model that needs improving, and that's the Smokebox door dart or handle. This model seems to have a rather oversized handle on the front of it, and it is very overscale. I've purchased a few items from around the internet and had a check to see the size, and it's about 1.5 mm, maybe 2 mm overscale, which of course brings a 3D printer back into action, meaning I can print something for this which is a bit more suitable and respectful to the actual size of the original. So stay on board and we'll go into modifying the front end of this model. So first off, we need to remove the lid or the body shell on this particular locomotive. Pretty straightforward, so let's get into it. All you'll need is a small Phillips screwdriver. Next, you must remove the water filler cap. This exposes the Phillips screw inside, which you can get to quite easily with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep in a safe place and try not to lose it. This then enables you to remove the top of the body shell. With the top of the body shell removed, that gives us better access to the rear of the Smokebox door. Just turning it over, you can see in the centre there the small dot where the silver Smokebox door dart is fixed into. Using some small amount of acetone might loosen the superglue bond, meaning it will soften the glue and you can actually remove it quite easily. Maybe even no drills needed. Removing the Smokebox door dart from the model does seem to be quite straightforward and simple. So I'm just going to wiggle the Smokebox door dart and also just use some flush cutters, but I'm not actually going to cut it. I'm just going to ease these around the bottom, wiggle, and out it comes. That leaves us a nice empty hole to put the new one in. So this is how your Smokebox door dart or handle will arrive. So it's on its supports, as you can see, very tiny, and you can cut these away using a sharp knife or maybe some flush cutters, as you've just seen previously. I would recommend you probably paint this while it's on the sprue and then just touch it up where you need to with a paintbrush. That will probably help a lot better and keeping it hands free while you're doing it. So I'll just remove this from the sprue now, and then we'll go back onto the locomotive and fit it into place. So here we are, all reassembled, and the Smokebox Start survived the reassembly. It's quite fragile, but once it's in place it's nice and safe, hopefully. So I've painted this in some oily silver, which you saw earlier, but it does look a lot better and more in keeping and in scale than the original Smokebox Door dart. So this is about 1.5 millimeters smaller, I think, off the top of my head. I measured the original one on Invincible down at the railway, and it did sort of show me how much bigger that one was. So these will be available hopefully through the Made Me website and possibly on eBay as well for a little bit more cost. But hopefully, if this interests you, let me know, and we will get selling these and making them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you along the line somewhere on the next video.